Assalamu alaikum teachers. In this quick tutorial we'll see how to mark, give feedback and return assignments that are done in Google Doc or that are done with uploaded documents like Word document or photos. So in this sample class I had assigned work a couple of days ago and now the student has submitted their work. To see the submitted work there are two options. One, we can go to grades where we will get an overall of all students. But the way I find easier is to go to classwork and go to the assignment that you want to check, for example story writing, and here we can see that one child has turned it in, one has not done it yet. So let's check and mark this child. We click that and now you are brought to the student work view for story writing. Here we can see that one student has turned it in, one student has not turned it in. This story writing was also marked for 10 points. First thing is we have to read this student's assignment so that we can give him feedback and marks. You just click on the name and the assignment will be here. Here we can see what the child has done. The task was to write a paragraph, 3 paragraphs. The assignment is here. You also have the option, and it is optional, to give detailed comments inside the document. And to know how to do that, you can watch Miss Aruj Faraz's tutorial on how to give feedback inside a document. But the two main things and compulsory things that we have to do is check it, give an overall private comment, give a grade, and after those two things then we can return the assignment. So either we can do these things here directly while we're reading the document, or we can close this and do it over here in this view. Private comment over here and grade over here. So let's go back and do it from the assignment view. Here I'll give overall feedback in a private comment. Of course your private comment should be specific and about their own work and give useful comment, and here I'll give the grade. So now we have given the grade and we have given the private comment. Let's post the private comment. And now that we've posted the private comment and given a grade, we can return the work. Return means to return the child's assignment with a grade and with the comment. When you write and post a private comment, it will go to the student right away, even if you don't press return, and they will be notified by email. Grade will only go when you click return, and when you click return, the child will get an email that they have been graded. Again, you can press return here, or you can go to the overall view and click return here, or tick all the students you want to return and click the return button. So let's return it from inside the assignment. Student will be notified and can check any grade. 3 out of 10, return. Now let's confirm. Here you can see that the name of sample student has gone from turned in to graded section, because now we have checked it and returned it. 3 out of 10, and the private comment is also here. If you wanted to add a private comment, you can also do it from this view. And in these simple steps, you have checked your child's work, given feedback through private comment, and given the grade and return. If the assignment has no marks and it is ungraded, you only need to give a private comment and click return, because there will be no option to enter mark. Now that you have returned the assignment, it may be that the child tries to resubmit it because they have the resubmit option. Then it will say resubmitted, but you don't need to mark it again. You only need to do it once. And if you want to read the resubmitted assignment and give comments, you can. That is optional. But once you have read it, given a private comment, graded it for a graded assignment and returned, then it's okay. Remember, when you send a private comment, the child will get it right away and will be notified by email. And when you enter the grade and click return, they will be notified about their grade and they will receive their grade. Let's quickly see what the student sees after you have returned, checked and given feedback. Here you can see that the child got emails that his assignment is graded and that he has a private comment. And in the class, the child will be able to see their grade. Story writing, 3 out of 10. Private comments are also visible. I hope that was helpful and will help you to easily mark, give remarks and feedback, and return work in Google Classroom that is done on Google Docs or with an uploaded photo of notebook or uploaded Microsoft Word document. Thank you.